What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 38 of the Chaos Daily. We are 38, right? Yeah. Time flies. 38 episodes already. Damn. Quiet episode today. Sort of just been chilling, relaxing. Monday morning tomorrow. Well, it's technically Monday morning now. I sleep during the day. It's just better that way. The IPA for the printer should be arriving today. So the next daily should have some exciting news. Hopefully stuff's arriving in the post today, and that's going to be awesome. So I've had a quiet day this evening, or a quiet evening this evening, just sort of chilling, doing some stuff on Discord, on the 3D printing Discord, 3DM. One of the members is looking for, mask. I don't actually leave the house, so I don't need masks, because I've been self-isolating since before COVID. Yeah. Self-isolation is good. So yeah, he's looking for a mask, and I was like, yeah, I can model something like that up pretty quick. So yeah, that'll be the time lapse today. Just doing up a mask. So see you on the other side.
I don't know what to say, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. Colors all around, but I don't see anything but blue. Get lost in the sound, go back to the start. Let's go out of the dark. Let's go out of the dark. Get into the light now.
And there you go. How cool is that? So, nice and simple. Yeah, like I said, just super short episodes today. Not really much to go over. I've just been chilling. But yeah, so make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not. Go check out my Patreon if you can. It's really helpful. And yeah, as always, I've been Chaos, and expect the unexpected. And I'll see you guys next time. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.